Arrive in style with this Kia 2019 Stinger GT2. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: 12-way power adjustable driver's seat, 3.3L V6 DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 3.3-liter V6 DOHC engine, 365 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, adaptive cruise control, air conditioning with climate control and audio controls on steering wheel. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.